BIL. So me love my team, living my life and together we defend it. So me love my team, limit is the sky and me fuck up every minute. Love my team, love my team, love my team. And we not pretend it. No.
Alright, let's wash up this carpet in this front seat and our box seat, you know. We're gonna look at this carpet, you see that? That before, this before and the seat too. That's showing the after. So wash these rims, to wash the engine bay too. Might as well, I'm gonna wipe it down, you know. You got the seat out, yeah, drain out. Got this out, yeah, drain out too, in the carpet, yeah, drain out. No seat, yeah? Get it. Come back now, you idiot. Old but still kicking. You sound like you stressing it out. Big bitch. That's a big bitch. Fear the bitch.
Get me in it, nigga.
What the fuck gonna feel like? What the fuck this?
I don't fucking know, brother. Smell sweet. I don't know what it is.
Fam, this is a type of sweet soap, you know.
It's not, it gotta be farming to it.
I've been telling Rumble about these fruits and we don't even know what it is. They killed some rabbits back in the day. So we're here. What it tastes like? Sweeter? Tastes like a weird sweet salt. But it's not right there. See for all it turn. What the fuck is that? Man, this tastes like a sour salt. I swear to God. Nah, I'm not trying that. Cause when you keel over tonight and shit, nah. But it tastes like a sour salt. On God. Sour salt. The ass gonna be sour later.
A whole lot of swap.
Whole lot of salt, yeah.
Sour swap.
A whole lot of sour. Brother, so much fucking mosquito. Yo. What the fuck? Brother, oh, you're terrible, innit?
Yo, when you try and go crabbing, we need
When?
sometime this weekend or something. I'm not feeling for it tonight though.
Before I kill you.
come down, you
Brother, brother, look what the fuck.
You like one cold stepping and shit. Pressing out them parties.
Brother, pet that outside. Brother, pet brother, throw that out, brother. This man grounds this thing. Look at the other one over there. Dog. I can't believe. Brother, pelt it now when we go right here. Nobody can see.
Touching up. Easy mask.
Yo, brother, just pick up the carpet and pelt it outside.
This man just stepping on them, man.
Brother.
Without them. All them up,
Yeah, brother. Look at that basket round the back. Look in the trunk.
This man gonna take my dog transporter. Basket.
Yeah, the fuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
That's right, true.
Yo.
Fuck, you ain't gonna set me for failure, man. You find that funny?
Yeah. What you say we get mangoes? On fucking bush. Brother, that tree not got nothing on her, bro. This way you come show me?
So you take blood, I see one was small, one that orange.
Waste of fucking time. Knees bare. We exploring, and
I know.
where it is?
That Civil Orange Street in a tangerine.
Bare birds up inside of my shoe. What you say, fish used to be in there?
No, brother. My dad and fish just pop up in it.
So from Ivan.
The guppies, blood, that turtle up in there too.
Bare coconuts in there.
Yo, get chop on them.
Fuck chopper.
Yo, he eats a whole man, bro.
Virgin, this man hard, this man lead the bears eat like he was.
What the fuck?
In the scene,
Yo, come, let's go. We going.
he just took the thing. Fuck you.
Brother, get your fucking.
Why you don't get one there?
Wolf.
Red
That's
mangoes.
a vlogger.
Huh?
A vlog.
That's a vlogger.
Yeah, fam.
Mango hunting.
What the fuck? No one too fast.
We out here mango hunting, boo.
Crab season, but we picking mangoes.
What you gonna do with them mangoes?
Make smooth, eh? Do that. Oh,
Grounds out.
oh, look at that raping right there. Yo, look at that. Look at that. That's a rape one, but. Ooh, she just come off nice and easy for this one. She got alarm system, huh? Look how beautiful that one look, boy.
Well, I'm not moaning, I'm not rape up in the street.
Yeah, I don't want smooth, eh? I could bring on some tomorrow, no?
It is good, huh?
Yeah. Just mangoes, you ain't all smooth, eh? You
Nah.
want smooth, eh?
Okay.
I bring some tomorrow.
What you do, freeze it and bring it. Then we blend it up.
No, I blend it up, then put it in the freezer and then bring it.
Yeah, do that. Let me see what your smooth is looking like. You could probably start selling some.
$5 a mango.
Fuck you, bitch.
Little do you know you get next start right in front of your eyes. Huh?
She, that
Gee,
one look good.
if he not perfect, no more.
Keep him out using for the smooth, eh?
Frank, he get bust, that discourage me and I don't want him.
Yeah, that one using for the smooth, eh?
You know the vibe.
I love mango season. Ha, look at them. This today batch. Just all of that is today batch in these round mangoes. And they don't look ripe. But they ripe. Straight off the tree.